Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. We are cleaning up this tri-tip right now. We are going to smoke it and make some delicious sandwiches. Clean this thing up a bit. Cut off the silver skin with a not so fantastic knife. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. Hit it with some Lowry's. Brand new, y'all. Nice and fresh. Didn't know it was orange. I never used this before. Yeah, it's good on everything. Burgers. I don't season a dog, do you? All the clacks and crevices. We're gonna go fat down for the first bit. We're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes or so and then give her a flip. All right, y'all, it hasn't been 10 minutes, but we're just gonna give her a nice little flip. Perfect. It's making all sorts of noise. We're just gonna probe it up and shut her down. Cook it for about 4 hours or so. We are going to cook up these cuttings off the meat. It's been cooking at about 150 until it turns 220 internal, and then we're gonna bring it in and cook it in this fat on the skillet. All right, y'all, we're just gonna slice these store-bought breads in half. I don't have a great track record of cutting cake or bread. Well, a cake. We have 2 bread knives. This one's I find it to be a little more difficult to use because of the teeth, but it's not working too bad. I'm gonna slice these 6 breads in half and put some garlic butter on there. Try to get them even. Got the thicker ones here, probably for the sandwich, and then if we just want garlic bread, the thinner ones might be better. Try to get them even. Doesn't always happen. This one's the biggest. Try to cut it the best. Probably put my husband's sandwich on this. Oh yeah, that one's pretty. Beautiful. All right, y'all, I've got a stick of butter here, softened and a little bit melted. We're gonna add a couple things and pull the meat off the smoker. We want it spreadable. We're gonna add in some minced garlic. I just picked this up because I usually prep mine and put it in the freezer, but I can't find a good enough deal just yet. 3 scoops. Alright, y'all, here's the meat out of the smoker. We're gonna put it in this pan for a couple minutes and give it a nice sear. It's huge. Okay. Alright, y'all, give it a couple minutes. I'm gonna add in some parsley to this butter. Oh geez, I just refilled this with a larger jug I have and it doesn't want to come out.
By the time it's done, you want it to be like 125.
This is looking delicious. Okay, thank you.
That looks way better than our normal.
Okay, I didn't add no oil or salt yet. And a little olive oil. Smells meaty in here. Oh, we'll see. Should I flip it? Alright, y'all. Woo! Come here. It's like got some color now. Get in there. Alright, y'all. We got some pretty good color on there. Turn it down a little. Gonna be a mess on the counter. No big deal. Okay, let's butter these bad boys. 23, 24, 27. Take it off?
Yep.
Take it off, y'all. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh boy. Looks good.
Oh yeah. It's going to be real nice and juicy.
Alright, y'all, we're going to cover this with some foil. Perfect. Nice little tight thing there. Alright, now we're going to slather this all over our bread. Our freaking mic stuck to the... Look at that. Alright, y'all, just cover these up good. Some of that butter wasn't too soft and is a little unincorporated. No biggie. Might be laying down too much butter. I don't know. It's beautiful garlic butter. Almost done, y'all. I should be toasting some of these while I'm still buttering some. Also ran out. I thought I would have extra. Obviously not. Okay. Alright, y'all. That's a ton of grease. I think I'm gonna have to make some more garlic butter, y'all. Gonna do probably half a stick or less. Third a stick, melted a second. We're gonna throw a couple breads in, y'all. That's a ton of grease though. Oh yeah, that smell. Try to cook these good without burning that garlic. And I've lost track of which ones are thicker now. Gorgeous. Somehow we got some garlic sticking. Make sure we get some nice crisp on there. Get some salt. This one seems kind of soft, so I'm gonna try to get this side as well. I don't know why it's so soft feeling. Look at that flop. We'll see what happens. Turn the heat down. I've got it resting on some towels so we can have that grease hanging out over there, but use it still if we need. Put some more garlic, parsley. Some nice color on there. Check this bread again. Nice color on there. Get that crisped up garlic out of here. This one's a huge top, so I think this one was for my husband. Ooh, that garlic smells good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna finish cooking these up and we'll see then. Hey y'all, we smoked this meat in the smoker at about 150 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 hours, give or take, until the internal temp was about 120. Then we pulled it, threw it in the skillet, cast iron skillet, and seared it on both sides very hot and quick till it was about 125 to 130. Slices up beautifully. Alright y'all, I sliced it all up. This side's more rare, this side's a little more done. I'll probably like that side better. Hopefully I cut it right. Bon appetit. Alright y'all, I just spent a ton of time cleaning up all these pieces. Got a mess going on here, but this it's gonna be delicious. These are the more desirable pieces for my husband. These are the more desirable pieces for me. I like more of a crisp, more done. Alright, it's a fat mess happening here. I'm gonna wash my hands and we'll assemble a sandwich. Alright y'all, this is a bunch of fat and freaky bits I've cut off. Had a lot of action happening throughout. This garlic bread has already been enjoyed by my family, and my husband said it's the best homemade garlic bread he's had. So that's a win. Very happy with that. Now they have some nice color. I got both of his sides good and toasted. We're gonna go down with some barbecue. Sweet baby rays. I don't think I've ever had brisket before, but we're just gonna go down with some cleaned up brisket. Nice layer of this cleaned up meat. Missed a fat chunk there. Tried to clean it as good as I could, and also I don't know what I'm doing. Put this one this way. Looks beautiful. Gonna start with that. Put a little more barbecue. Come on. Oh yeah, we are going to crown the king. Ah, that's the top. Whoops, it's okay. We're gonna cut this in half. Nice, cut beautifully. Beautiful, y'all. I'm just gonna do a little offset action. Bon appetit. So delicious. Time to eat. Alright y'all, I'm gonna use this thin one. I know my husband prefers a lot of bread, and honestly I don't need it all. Now I'm gonna remember which one's the top and bottom this time, hopefully. How did that happen? I don't know. Alrighty, throw some really cleaned up tiny pieces on there. Alright y'all, I've got mine full of some thin little crispers. These are the kinds of pieces I like right here. The end, nice and crispy. Delicious. Crown your king. Give her a slice. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Bon appetit. Kind of a fat mess right now. My family's gonna tear this up, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. Bon appetit. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Just gotta clean it up good. That bread is absolutely incredible. So good. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.